Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Jeep Cherokee. First, gather your supplies like a new oil filter, the correct motor oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Next, warm up your engine for about 5 minutes to ensure the oil drains smoothly. Then, carefully position your drain pan and remove the drain plug to let the old oil flow out completely. Once the old oil has drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, which is usually accessible from underneath. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn. With the new filter in place, reinsert and tighten the drain plug firmly. Now, refer to your vehicle's manual to confirm the exact type and quantity of oil required. Typically, a Jeep Cherokee uses about 5 quarts. Carefully pour the fresh motor oil into the engine through the oil fill cap. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Finally, start your engine and let it run for a minute. Then carefully inspect for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Once you're sure everything is sealed, remember to reset your vehicle's oil life monitoring system, usually through the dashboard controls. This ensures accurate tracking for your next service. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.